Что же мне так трудно? From here we go to a funny chord. Can we go a bit slower and listen as much as sing? 50% attention on what you're singing. The other 50% is what is happening around. Yeah? So we merge together into strong chords. Что же мне